Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Paramita Fatih from Institute Transportation and Logistics Trisakti, and in this video for international trade and e-commerce, we're going to talk about something super relevant, digital letters of credit, or simply digital L or C. We'll see how this system helps global trade become faster, safer, and more transparent in today's e-commerce era. Let's get started. What is a letter of credit? Let's start simple. A letter of credit, or L or C, is basically a payment guarantee issued by a bank on behalf of an importer. It ensures the exporter gets paid, as long as all shipment documents are correct. There are four key players here: the buyer, seller, issuing bank, and advising bank. So the bank acts like a neutral middleman that makes international trade safer for both sides. Why is L or C important in international trade? Imagine you're selling products to someone overseas who you've never met. What if they don't pay after receiving the goods? That's where L or C comes in. It guarantees exporters will get paid, and importers only pay once documents are verified. It's a win-win. Both sides are protected. Benefits for exporters and importers. For exporters, it's like an insurance. Your payment is guaranteed. For importers, it ensures you're paying for the right goods. That balance of security and trust is what keeps international trade running smoothly. Common types of L or C. The most common type is the irrevocable L or C, meaning it can't be cancelled once issued. Some are confirmed L or Cs, where a second bank also guarantees payment. Site L or Cs are paid instantly after documents are checked, while usance L or Cs allow for delayed payment. Companies choose based on their trade needs. How does an L or C transaction work? Here's how it flows. Buyer requests the bank to issue an L or C to. It's sent to the exporter's bank. To exporter ships the goods. To submits documents to. Once verified, the payment is released. But every detail matters. Even one wrong document can delay payment. Problems with traditional L or C. Traditional L or Cs used to be very slow, full of paper, manual checks, and high costs. One small document error could cause weeks of delay. It's not practical for small businesses that need quick turnaround in global markets. The rise of digital L or CLC. Now comes digital L or C or ELC. Everything from issuing to verifying to paying happens online. It's faster, transparent, and cost-efficient. And best of all, it gives SMEs a real chance to trade globally without all the paperwork. Digital L or C in the e-commerce era. E-commerce giants like Alibaba and Tradelens are already using digital L or Cs. Buyers and sellers can track payments in real time, verify documents automatically, and get instant updates all within one platform. This is how global trade keeps up with today's digital economy. Blockchain and smart contracts in L or C. Banks are now experimenting with blockchain-based L or Cs. Every step of the transaction is stored securely and can't be changed. With smart contracts, payments happen automatically once all conditions are met. It's secure, transparent, and faster than ever before. Limitations of digital L or C. Of course, digital systems aren't perfect. Bank fees still exist, and data must be super accurate. For very small trades, sometimes the process isn't worth the cost. But overall, it's a big leap forward. Why it matters for SMEs and startups. For SMEs and startups, this is a game changer. They can finally join the global market safely and easily. With digital L or C, payment risks are lower, and everything is handled online. It's making international trade more inclusive. Real-world example. For example, an Indonesian SME selling handmade crafts to Japan through Alibaba. They used an ELC. All documents were digital, and payment was fully guaranteed by the bank. The result: fast, safe, and completely transparent trade. Conclusion. So to wrap it up, letters of credit are the backbone of secure international trade. They're becoming faster, smarter, and more accessible. Digital L or Cs don't just help big corporations. They open doors for SMEs, creators, and startups to go global. This is how the future of international trade is being reshaped, one digital transaction at a time. Thanks for watching. I'm Paramita Fatih, and I hope this helped you understand how global financial systems like L or Cs support the world of digital trade and e-commerce. See you in the next video.